Even though Apple is supposed to introduce its new iPhone lineup this September, the smartphone maker is supposed to be already done with the design, or at least close to being done, and luckily, someone got a hold of the CAD renders for the supposedly called iPhone 12 Pro Max. The new CAD renders reveal lots of new design changes, but it's also important to note that the design you see here is about 70% finished. There's still some work to be done with rear camera placement and the notch. Anyway, the rest of the details are supposed to be accurate, and the drawings are in line with what rumors say so far. iPad Pro-like looks with flat edges. It also reminds us a little bit of the iPhone 5's design too. The display would have significantly thinner bezels, around 0.9 thinner than the current ones, and the notch, if finalized, will be a tad wider than the one on the OnePlus 6, for reference, but still smaller than the one today. This would allow for bigger display 6.7, but the body will be slightly taller and wider too. Now forming a square shape for its quad camera setup, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will include a LiDAR sensor as well, but it might be positioned differently as we already pointed out. The camera arrangement still isn't final. And finally, the speaker grille will adopt a different look, while the loudspeakers themselves will get 10 to 15% bump in loudness. It's a pretty massive leak, this one, and given that the source of the CADs claim that the design isn't finalized, so we suggest you don't hold your breath as some details may change before launch.